Okay, so our objective today is I can solve radical equations by using inverse operations. If you have not already done so, pause the video here and try the warm-up on page 48. For number 1, I'm going to first change my radicals to exponents. When I have a power to a power, I can multiply the exponents. So I multiply numerators, multiply denominators, and I get x to the 1/16. That's in rational form. That's my final answer. For number 2, I have my integer, the coefficients, change the radical to an exponent, and now I'm going to subtract since it's division. And when you subtract an integer and a rational, I need a common denominator. Since this has a denominator of 3, I'm going to multiply. So I have 3 over 3 minus 1 over 3, which is 2 over 3. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 1 minus 1/3, 2/3. For number 3, we're going to subtract again. I need a common denominator. So in rational form, this is x to the 1/6. But in radical form, that's the 6th root of x. In number 4, I'm going to simplify inside the parentheses first. -1 plus 5 has a numerator of x to the 4th. Then I'm going to subtract, so I have x to the 3rd to the 1/4. And since we want radical form, I'm going to leave the integer exponent of 3 and change the 1/4 to a 4th power of x cubed. Ooh, that's really squishy. Hang on, let me fix that. 4th power of x cubed. And lastly, for solving, to undo an exponent of 1/2, I'm going to square both sides, or 2 over 1. You could also think of this 1/2 as a square root, so you could start your problem by rewriting it like this, and then do that first step. So x plus 3 is 4. X is 1. For number 6, I first have to isolate my radical. To undo a cube root, I'm going to cube. And 4 times 4 times 4 is 64.